Welcome to our beginner's guide to crypto investment. Whether you're new to the world of digital currencies or looking to sharpen your investment skills, we've got you covered. Let's dive into the essential tips for navigating the crypto market. First, let's understand the basics. Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. They operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. Key terms to know include blockchain, altcoins, wallets, and exchanges. The crypto market is highly volatile and influenced by various factors. Conduct thorough research on different cryptocurrencies, their use cases, and the teams behind them. Websites like CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko provide valuable insights into market trends and coin rankings. Stay updated with the latest news and developments. Diversification is key. Spread your investments across multiple cryptocurrencies to mitigate risks. While Bitcoin and Ethereum are popular choices, consider exploring promising altcoins with strong fundamentals. A diversified portfolio helps balance potential gains and losses. Only invest money that you can afford to lose without affecting your financial stability. Avoid borrowing funds or using essential savings for crypto investments. This approach ensures you remain financially secure even if the market experiences downturns. Selecting a reputable cryptocurrency exchange is vital for secure trading. Look for exchanges with robust security measures, user-friendly interfaces, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. Ensure the exchange complies with regulatory standards and offers insurance for digital assets. Security is paramount. Use hardware wallets or cold storage solutions to store your cryptocurrencies safely. Enable two-factor authentication on your exchange accounts and avoid sharing your private keys. Regularly update your software and be cautious of phishing scams and malware. The crypto market is dynamic and constantly evolving. Stay informed about market trends, regulatory changes, and technological advancements. Join crypto communities on platforms like Reddit, Twitter, and Telegram to engage with other investors and gain insights. Adapt your investment strategy based on new information and market conditions. While short-term trading can be profitable, it requires significant time and expertise. For beginners, adopting a long-term investment strategy is often more prudent. Focus on the potential of cryptocurrencies to grow over time rather than chasing quick profits. Patience and discipline are key to successful long-term investing. If you're unsure about your investment decisions, consider seeking advice from financial advisors or crypto experts. They can provide personalized guidance based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Professional advice can help you navigate the complexities of the crypto market with confidence. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a rewarding venture if approached with caution and knowledge. By understanding the basics, conducting thorough research, diversifying your portfolio, and prioritizing security, you can build a strong foundation for your crypto investment journey. Stay informed, adapt to market changes, and maintain a long-term perspective to maximize your chances of success. Subscribe for more tips and insights.